Welcome to our channel. If you need to activate a new SIM card, follow these step-by-step instructions to get connected without encountering activation errors. Step 1. Power off your phone completely before inserting the new SIM card. This prevents potential software conflicts and ensures proper recognition of the new card. Step 2. Locate your phone's SIM card tray using the ejection tool that came with your device. Insert the tool into the small hole next to the tray and gently push to release it. Step 3. Remove the old SIM card if present and place the new SIM card in the tray. Ensure the gold contacts face downward and the notched corner aligns properly with the tray shape. Step 4. Reinsert the SIM tray firmly until it clicks into place. Make sure it's fully seated and flush with the phone's body to establish proper connection. Step 5. Power on your phone and wait for it to detect the network. This may take 30 seconds to 2 minutes as the device registers with your carrier's network. Step 6. Follow activation prompts on your screen or call your carrier's activation number. Have your account information, phone number, and SIM card number ready. Step 7. Enter the activation code provided by your carrier if required. This code is typically found on the SIM card packaging or sent via email when you ordered the card. Step 8. Restart your phone after activation completes to ensure all network settings take effect. Test calling, texting, and data to verify everything works properly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.